How to log into your Darwin Box employee account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to your Darwin Box employee account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser on your device. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser of your choice. Now go ahead in the search bar and type Darwin Box login and simply press enter. Now here make sure to click on the official website from the search result, and it should be the first link. And once you are on the login page, simply enter your email and employee ID in the first field and then type in your password in the next field. And if you want to check if you have entered your password correctly, simply click on the eye icon to make it visible. And now just click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account. And if you have forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on forget password and follow the instruction to reset it. And that's it. Now you are all set to access the Darwin Box account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.